Okay, guys, hello again on our live trading session. Let me just check if everything is working. Please let me know on the chat if you can hear me, if you can see me, because on last session I had some technical issues. So, guys, please help me and let me know if everything is okay with the stream, with the sound, if it's all good. And then we're gonna start our live trading session. I will try to confirm that. So I'm just waiting for confirmation and we can start. Just a second, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get started. Live trading session, US session just opened. We need to look at microeconomic calendar because today we got unusual, I would say, news in our calendar. I mean, mm, NFP. Let me just change the dates. Today is 20th of November. We got non-farm employment change. These are one of the most important news we can have. So probably we won't look for any opportunities now because we got 27 minutes till news. But we can have a look at crude oil because usually crude oil is not affected by those news. So maybe we can make a plan on crude oil and we can open a position on crude oil. We're gonna have a look at that and during the news, non-farm unemployment change, we're gonna I'm gonna try to open position. I'm gonna show you how I do it during news. It's a very risky setup, but it's working for me. I'm using that setup for more than 2 years now. And we can get quick profits. That's gonna be a few seconds. But remember, you cannot use it on founded accounts or challenge accounts. So you need to be aware of that. Okay, let's check over here. Trades platform is ready. Mm. Let's check crude oil first. So maybe we can make some plan on crude oil, and then we're gonna try to make some profits during the news. So, guys, we are focusing on price action cycle. This strategy is working the best during these hours. So we are looking at current day. This is crude oil futures contracts. And first of all, we need to define which kind of day we are dealing with. So is it range day or is it a trend day? Sorry. So let me know, what do you think? Is it range day or is it trend day? Hello, Lorenzo. Hi. Lorenzo, let me know, what do you think? Range or trend? This is 5 minutes time frame, crude oil, futures market. Okay. To define which kind of day is it, we need to look at Asian session. So what happened during Asian session? So this is Asian session. Was it trend during Asian session or range? Hello, Anna. Asia range, now trend. Yes, but if we can find the range during Asian session, and I think we got range over here, we can use one of our setups, range setups, and these setups are setups to for the price to come back into the range. So I know we got some trend move now, but we're gonna try to come back into the range. First of all, we need to look at our range, how the market was reacting. So I'm looking for as many reactions from the top and from the bottom. Let's have a look. This is black, okay. Mm. The top is working quite well, but we got only 2 reactions here. It's looking quite good because we got 2 swings. Let's try to move the bottom. It's not too bad. Okay, I think this is pretty good. So I'm talking about this range right here. Mm. We had some reactions from the bottom for sure, quite few of them. Reaction and expansion, reaction and expansion, reaction here, reaction here. So it's working quite well. So this is gonna be our range. So we're gonna try to go back into this range right here, okay? So let me just mark this on the chart. This is the range we want to come back. The price is moving down, so we need to probably hurry up. Don't want to miss this trade. So this is one of our expansions. Red color because we're gonna look for sellers in this area and over here also. And one more because we might go even higher, okay? So I need to find out where is open of the day because this is like magnets for the price. So this is open of the day. And price usually is reacting at open of the day. Open of the day. All right. So you can see reactions at open. That's okay. So we can see the price went up. Down we got some pullback over here. And I can spot double top on one of our expansions, which is good. Here we got double top. The other thing is we can add trend line because this might be important for us. So we got trend line, we got double top, we got 2 reactions at expansion, which is good. We got plenty of space to our non-trade zone. We can try to get to open of the day as well. I want to check something. We got 59.26. No. I'm checking if we got $1 move because usually on crude oil, if the $1 move is done, the price like to reverse. And today the bottom level is 59.26. So we should get to a bit high, but it doesn't have to be like that. Let's focus on current situation. So I need to check micro rotation. I'm gonna do it from 3 minutes time frame because I don't want to see that the price will drop down straight away. So 3 minutes time frame can give us more precision over here. So let's find where is rotation. Here we got bullish rotation, bearish rotation in this place right here. Then we are looking for bullish rotation, which is over here. It's confirmed. Okay. Then we got bearish rotation. It's very important to check rotation because we need to be in right rotation when we are looking for the trade. Okay. So this is done. We got rotation over here, bullish rotation. Bearish is not confirmed. Bearish is not confirmed. Okay, it's great because now we can expect bearish rotation and we're gonna look for that. So double top for sure, it will help us. Nice reaction at expansion. So what I'm looking for basically is I want to see bearish rotation and one of our setups, okay? And if the price will close under exponential moving average, like signal candle, we're gonna try to open the position with risk to reward the best if we can get 1 to 2. So not sure, maybe this stop loss will look like this. We will see how much space we got here. So 1% risk, let's say 2% to get, okay? But we need to wait for bearish rotation. I need to see that the price is breaking through this trend line over here. There is a chance that the crude oil will drop down straight away. Very dynamic. They like to do that, okay? Sometimes I set limit orders in this place. I'm gonna think about that in a second. Maybe we can do it. Yeah. Let me just check something. Okay, so we are looking for a specific situation to use one of our setups. We're gonna try to get 1 to 2. Sorry, 2 to 1 to 2, yes. I'm thinking about limit order because crude oil like to drop very fast. Mm, Maybe I will set limit order, but with small risk, okay? If they won't drop down very quick, I will remove it and we're gonna do it manually. But I don't want to miss this trade. We got nice profit this week because around $10,000 this week already profit. So it's good. Let me switch to crude oil. Advanced order, risk mode, points. I want stop loss for how many points? Not sure. I can do it like this or like that. I think this is gonna be better. Like this. Good. Stop loss maybe for 17 pips. And take profit 0.1. Yeah, that's $1,000. Okay. And limit order. I want limit order. 1 second. Let me check if we can get 1 to 2. Yes, we can. So basically, I can make stop loss a little bit bigger. Stop loss should be fine. Maybe one more. 821. I need to leave space for the spread. And okay, I'm gonna set sell stop order for now. Take profit. This one is risky one. Risky trade. Excuse me. We want to get $2,000. We will see. if the price will go down now, slowly breaking through this trend line, maybe we're gonna remove this order and set and I'm gonna open order by the market, okay? $2,000 confirm. Short position. It will look something like that. If we're gonna go down slowly, like I said, I probably will remove it and we're gonna wait for rotation and pullback. In about 5 minutes time, we're gonna switch to GBP USD and we're gonna try to open position during the news. The price is slowly going down, so our trade's gonna be activated soon, maybe. We will see in a second. Nice candle breaking through. Nice. Now they should drop. Yes, trade is activated, like you can see. And hopefully we're gonna drop down straight away. On crude oil, you can spot situation like this many times. The price like to break through and go straight down. Of course, we might have situation that the price will reverse, but these setups are pretty good, so I'm not worried too much. If there's gonna be stop loss, this is only $1,000 risk, guys. If we're gonna have situation that the price will do something like this, micro rotation, then we're gonna have a pullback and signal candle, I will open another position, okay? Another position for another $1,000. So in total, we're gonna try to get $4,000, okay? But we need to wait for that. Price is slowly going down. Where is this trade? This trade is open. Yes, it's open. The only thing is they are not dropping down, so we might have to wait for the micro rotation pullback and then re-enter or add another position. But something is happening. Good. It's 5 minutes time frame. Very nice candle, bearish candle. 1 to 2, $1,000 risk to get $2,000. In 2 weeks' time, I made on this account totally nearly $16,000. I've done some payouts, that's why it's only $10,000 left. So by the end of the week, or maybe we're gonna wait till the end of the month. Yeah, by the end of the month, I will place withdraw on this account as well. Don't keep it on an account. If you got some profits, try to withdraw your money. Good. We got 3 minutes time frame. If we're gonna have another candle, bearish candle, we're gonna wait for pullback and signal candle, and I'm gonna add another position. Okay. There is a chance that we're gonna, of course, go up. Maybe we're gonna retest this trend line again, and then a reaction. We will see. better option if we're gonna have micro rotation. It will be much better for me. Okay, let's move to this account over here. This is small account. I will show you this on small account because I want to open small position like 0.01 probably on GBP USD. I just want to show you how this works on live account. This trade gonna be open during news, so remember, don't do it on your challenge or founded account. Well, you can do it on live account. Let me just check something. GBP USD. Okay. I do it on GBP USD because I used to do it on gold, but on gold the spreads are too high. Okay, so GBP is better than Euro USD. USD CAD also is great. 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna set pending orders. Okay, first pending order sell limit. Then we're gonna go with stop loss for 10 pips and take profit for 30 pips or 40. We can do it 40. No sell limit. Sorry, guys. I've done mistake. I need to open buy stop order. Sorry, my mistake. Stop loss for 10 pips and take profit for 40 pips. So risk to reward 1 to 4. Okay, and another one on the other side. Sell stop with stop loss for 10 pips and take profit for 40 pips. Like I said, this is small account. I'm doing this on small account. If you want to test it, try 0.01, okay? Okay, positions are ready. We're gonna move them in the second closer to the news. Okay, I got my timer, and let's check what's going on crude oil. Come on, let's get some profits. A tornado is about to hit the market. Yes, that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. In about 4 minutes time, I'm gonna set 2 orders closer to the price. Okay, I'm ready. I am ready. Hmm. Come on, crude oil. Drop it. We got 3.5 minutes. We will try to get inside this tornado. Two 3 minutes. Come on. Have you ever tried one of these setups? I'm gonna move the price, this order closer to the price, and it should open the position during the news. So if the price will go one way, it should activate my trade. Of course, if I'm gonna set my order in this place, you will see that the order will be moved higher because of the spread. So it won't open it here. Okay? That's what happened on live accounts. 2 minutes. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. 1 minute 40 seconds. Come on. Let me know on the chat which way you think market will go, up or down. Let's make a quiz. Up or down? What do you think? Up or down? We got 1 minute left. If one order will activate, I will remove the other one, okay? Okay, 50 seconds, guys. I need to be quick over here. I'm getting ready. About 10 seconds before I'm gonna set these orders. I'm not sure what to expect because we didn't have non-farm payrolls for a long time, so maybe nothing's gonna happen. We will see. 25 seconds. 15 seconds. Okay, it's ready. 5, 4. Oh, come on. They close it because of the spread. That's the worst scenario. The spread had to be high because the price didn't even move for 10 pips up. And it's showing 1. So I'm not sure why it has been removed. Unusual situation. 2 stop losses. This is unusual, guys, because it shouldn't open especially that the spread is very low. So they close my position. It's first time something like this happened to me, that they close both positions, even if the price. Come on, this is stupid. Okay, let's leave it. Unfortunately, no, 2 stop losses, so I won't show you now. We need to wait for and nothing special happening because we should have something like this. Boom. Nothing like this happened over here. So let's have a look at this one. That was small account, so only $20 loss. No worries. We got bigger profits over here because Already we got $400, 380, and we are on the way to the take profit, which is good. Unfortunately, not today. I won't show you how it works. We'll have to do it on the next live when everything gonna go back to normal. I want to have a look at gold. What happened on gold? Where is it? Nothing special, guys. Only 170 pips. It's not much for gold, but here we are going down. Good. We are on the way to the take profit. We might have a chance to add the position because here we got micro rotation. Maybe if we're gonna have pullback and strong candle, I will add another position with the stop loss a bit higher over here. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm not looking for any more trades at this moment, just this one here. $570. Let's go. You don't need too much. We need another 27 pips. Come on. I know they can drop very quick. It's looking pretty good. We got okay, 3 minutes, 5 minutes time frame. If we're gonna have comeback to this area here and strong reaction, I will try to add another position, okay? This is looking good. And we are slowly dropping down. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Is it the Axie broker? Yes, it is. Yeah. It's first time something like this because I usually do it on Axie broker, and I'm not sure what happened today. But it's okay. I knew the risk. This was only small risk just to show you how it works. But it didn't work out today. I'm gonna show you the other day when everything's gonna go back into normal. Because non-farm payrolls got bigger moves usually. So nothing special today. Maybe that's why hit two stop losses. I can't remember when last time I hit two stop losses on this setup. Trust me, I can't remember when I did it. Two stop losses on this one. But no worries, that is only $40. Over here we got $620, 600. So let's go. So I want to more focus on this trade because this is more interesting, more profit to get, and it's looking good. And less risky. That was high, very high risk trade. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Where is open of the day? This one 5 minutes time frame. Open of the day over here is in a little bit different place, but it's okay. I want to get to the bottom of the range, okay? If we're gonna get a little bit lower, maybe like this, I will set break even, okay, to secure the trade. More than half. If we're gonna do more than half, I will secure the trade. Because there is a chance that the price now will make a pullback to this area here and they will drop. So I don't want to set it now because if I'm gonna hit break even and they will go straight down, I will be frustrated, guys. Come on, few more pips. Let's go. Let's go. And this is looking very, very well, I would say. Okay, the only thing we need to do is to just wait for the price to drop down. For the price to drop down. We can have a look at gold, but gold, I think, is going up. This morning we had some bearish move, so we were in a trend. And now I can see that the first leg is done over here. That's the first leg. We got second leg is done. And we are going for third leg, but I don't think we're gonna have space to open the position because we are not too far. Another candle, and we're gonna get to third leg measure move. Okay, especially that we already had pullback. Yeah, pullback to 0.618. Perfect pullback, but no chance to open the position at this moment. And we gonna hit third leg measure move in the second. So gold for me, no. If we're gonna hit third leg measure move, nothing to do over here. Maybe later on, if the price will reverse, maybe we're gonna go opposite direction. Then maybe yes, but then maybe I will look for the trade, but not at this moment. Okay. I just want to focus now on this crude oil, nothing else. I'm not looking for any other setups. This is very looking very good. Uh, we are halfway already to take profit. $800 done already. Sometimes it's worth risking. If you are waiting for confirmation, of course, it's good if you're gonna wait for confirmation. But sometimes on crude oil, there's no confirmation. They just go straight down. That's why we can set pending order, limit order, stop order, sorry, stop order, but with lower risk because this may be tricky. So if we're gonna have confirmation, we can do bigger risk, let's say. But on this one here, more risky trade, so less risk. Halfway already done. Let's leave it. I'm not moving the stop loss, okay? I'm not trying to be smart. Mm, many times I've seen situations that the price reversed up to here and dropped down again. So we need to leave that space for stop loss, okay? We are not too far from take profit, I would say. Only 20 pips. It's looking good. These candles are looking good. So I can see power of sellers. They done pretty good move from here. We got already 40 pips nearly. So we're gonna wait for this one for full take profit. Hopefully we can wait. Guys, oh Anna, so on the news setup, you trade USD CAD for the CAD news and GBP for the USD news. No, if we got news like NFP, any news, not any news. If we got news in the United States, non-farm payrolls, NFP, CPI, interest rate decisions, we can trade on any currency pair related to US dollar. So it can be Euro USD, GBP USD, CAD USD, Australian dollar and US dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So everything together with USD. But if we got news like interest rate decision in Canada, then focus just on USD CAD. So for the on the Canadian dollar. If we got news in Great Britain, interest rate decisions, let's say, you can use it on British pound, so GBP USD. But every news in United States, important news, high impact news, we can use any major currency pair. Good, good, good. If we're gonna go up, maybe I'll add position another one. I want to check something. Volume footprint. Okay, so we might come back to this area or even higher. Yes, we can go higher, but this is pretty good. So maybe we're gonna have pull back to this area and then drop down again. This is 3 minutes time frame. Let me switch to 5 minutes time frame. Mhm. Here the delta was zero, so we had the same amount of sellers and buyers, and the price still was dropping down. Something was pushing the price. Come on, now two strong candles. Let's finish this trade and let's finish for today. Tomorrow, another day, so one more profit tomorrow, and hopefully we're gonna close week with around 15, maybe $18,000. And look at this. This week I placed only few trades, starting from 17th. Uh, don't look at this Ethereum. Don't worry about that. Crude oil, two setups from our live trading session, three setups, one break even, and now this is fourth trade. One trade per day. Mm, 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame. What's going on over here? Come on, let's drop. We should drop a little bit more. Look, the delta is bullish and the price is pushing down, which is good. Which is good. Mm, I want to check something from 5 minutes time frame. This is Euro USD. Yes, it is. We could open the scalping position over here, but I don't want to show you this strategy at this moment. It should be open right here. Something like that. Maybe yes. Maybe no. 36. Okay, let's leave it. Crude oil. Come on. I know they want to go down. Look, the candle is bullish and we got delta is minus. That's a good sign for me because price is moving up, but we got more sellers in this area. Good. Let's drop. Let's drop. Yes, come on. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna have to wait another maybe 30 minutes for this trade to finish. So we're gonna check that tomorrow. I'm just gonna put that in trading journal, okay? So we can review that tomorrow. Pack range setup. Okay, I'm gonna make another screenshot with this plan. Because we got full plan over here. Okay, so that is the plan. I'm gonna make a screenshot so we can review that tomorrow. Maybe we're gonna check if we have stop loss, if we got take profit. So we're gonna check that, but tomorrow. 'Cause I don't want to hold you anymore. I'm not looking for any more trades, just this one here. And we need to wait. I'm not moving to stop loss yet. Maybe if the price will get somewhere around this area, I will set break even, okay? But at this moment, I'm not trying to move my stop loss because I think we might go back here and drop down again. Okay, so I need to leave the space for this trade. Okay, guys, so for today, I think that's it. One trade is open, which is good. We got one stop loss during the news, high risky trades, but only $40, so I don't mind. And we are seeing each other tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, we're gonna look for some setups using all in ASAP strategy. And for now, guys, thank you for your attention, and I will see you tomorrow. So good luck with your trades, and see you again.